Welcome to Unit 3, Algebraic Expression, Math Grade 6 First Term 2024. And this is lesson number 7, Determining Equivalent Algebraic Expression. We know about algebraic expression, but we will know when they are equivalent to each other. This is part of explanation. Now, determining equivalent algebraic expression. Algebraic expression like x plus 3. Equivalent between two algebraic expression. This is one algebraic expression and another one like that. Now we have two algebraic expression. What is the meaning of equivalent? Equivalent, that's mean it's equal each other. It's equal each other or not equal each other. Now, for example, we will take two algebraic expression. First one, 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10. And the other one, 2 by x plus 1 plus 8. Okay, now how to know if these two expressions are equivalent or not? Note with me. First, we have x and x, right? Now, we will say 4x equal 2 for the two expression. Okay? Now, we will substitute x equal 2. Now, remove x and put 2. 2x, that's mean 2 by x. So, 2 by 2 plus 10. Here, 2 by x plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 8. Now, it's equal. We have multiply and add. Start with multiply equal 4 plus 10 equal 14. The other expression, 2 pi, we have here parentheses. So first do the parentheses. 2 parentheses, that's mean 2 pi, the parentheses. Result, 2 plus 1 equal 3 plus 8. That's equal plus or times first equal 6 plus 8 equal 14. We now know that the two expression is equal each other if I substitute x equal 2 at the same time. But one trial, this is called trial number 1. It's not enough. You have to make trial number 2. For x equal what? Any other number. We first take x equal 2. Now we may take x equal 3 or any other number. Now, the first one and the second one. The first one, 2x plus 10. The second one, 2 pi x plus 1 plus 8. Okay? Here we substitute x by 3. Okay? 2x, that's mean 2 by x. X equal what? X equal 3 plus 10. That's equal. Start with multiply. okay, plus 10 equal 16. The other equivalent, the other expression, 2 pi x, delete x and put 3 plus 1 plus 8, that's equal, start with parentheses, 2 parentheses, that means 2 pi, the parentheses result 4 plus 8, start with multiply 2 by 4 equal 8 plus 8 equal 16. Now when we substitute x equal 3 for the two expression, we find the same result. Now we do the trial number 1 and trial number 2. As the two trials, it's the same answer. It's the same answer. Now I can call that two expression are what are equivalent expression. Are equivalent expression. If we find that when I do some trial and this number not equal to this, so not equivalent. If this number not equal to that number, not equivalent. But here in this case we have it's the same number as two trial. Okay, now it's equivalent expression. Note that some algebraic expression gives the same result when substitute for the variable with some values and give unequal result for other values. These type expression are not equivalent. To understand that, take this example. We have two expression here and I want to know is this expression are equivalent or not equivalent. We have two case may be equivalent or not equivalent. To know these two expressions are equivalent to each other or not equivalent to each other, I need to do what? To do two trials. Two trials by two value of x. By two value of x. Now take x equal 1 for the first trial. So 3x plus 1, okay, equal 3x, that's mean 3 multiply x. 3 multiply 1 plus 1. Start with multiply, equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. Okay, now the other expression, 2x plus 5. 2x, that's mean 2 pi x. X equal what? Equal 1 plus 5. Start with multiply. 2 pi 1 equal 2 plus 5 equal 7. Now when I substitute x equal 1, the first expression give me 4, but the second expression give me what? Give me 7. Now I can set that these two expressions equivalent or not? Are not equivalent. Okay, because the result here not equal to the result here. Now take example number 1. Evaluate each pair of algebraic expression as the given value. He will give me the value that I will substitute by x. X equal what? He will give it to me. Okay, Now to determine where if the two expressions are equivalent or not equivalent. Okay, take point C for example. We have two expressions, the first one for x plus 5 and the second one for pi x plus 5. For what? He gave me two values for x, two trial. Okay, so first trial number 1 for x equal 1, trial number 2 for x equal what? Equal 6. Now the first expression for x plus 5 for pi x plus 5. Now substitute x equal 1. So remove x and put 1. For x that's mean 4 by x. X equal what? Equal 1 plus 5. That's equal, start with multiply. 4 pi 1 equal 4 plus 5. That's equal 9. Okay. The other one, remove x and put 1. 4 pi 1 plus 5. Okay, into first parentheses, 4 parentheses, that means 4 pi, the parentheses result, 1 plus 5 equals 6, 4 pi 6 equal 24. Now, we find that the first trial, when I substitute x equal 1, the first expression give me 9, and the second expression give me 24. So, these two expressions are not equivalent to each other. Okay, but let's go to the trial number 2 and see. First expression for x plus 5, second one for pi parentheses x plus 5. Now remove x. For x is more, that means 4 pi x. X equals 6 plus 5. Now multiply 24, right, plus 5. That's equal 29. Now remove x and put 6. 4 pi 6 plus 5 equal. Start with parentheses. 4 parentheses, that means 4 pi the parentheses result. 6 plus 5 equal 11. 4 pi 11 equal what? 44. Now we can decide that these two expressions are not equivalent to each other, because when I substitute by x equal 1, the different result. Okay, when I substitute x equal 6, different result, so it's not equivalent expression. Let's go to check our understanding. Evaluate each pair or algebraic expression as the given value. He gave me the values of the variable, okay, to determine if they are equivalent or not. Okay, take point B for an example. We have two trials, x equal 2 or x equal 7, and we have two expressions, first one and second one. Okay, the same ID. Okay, trial number 1, we start with x equal what? X equal 2. And trial number 2, do x equal what? Substitute x equal 7. Okay, the first expression 2 parentheses x plus 1 plus 3. Okay, second one, 10 plus 2x. Here write the first one. Here write the second expression. Now start to substitute. First expression, remove x and put 2 pi 2 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, 2 pi, start with parentheses, 2 parentheses, that means 2 pi, the parentheses result equal 3 plus what? Plus 3, start with multiply, equal 6 plus 3 equal 9. So we have 9 for the first expression about the first trial. Now the second expression, 10 plus 2x, that means 10 plus 2 by x. Remove x and put 2. 10 plus 2 by 2. Start with multiply. 10 plus 2 by 2 equal 4. 10 plus 4 equal 14. Now I can decide that these two expressions are not equivalent because from the first trial there is not the same result when I substitute x equal 2. But if they are the same, I need to go to the next substitution to be sure if they are equivalent or not. Maybe if you find that it's 9 and this is 9, now in this case you have to do the next substitute. Okay, try it. 2 by, remove x and put 7 plus 1 plus 3 to the parentheses first. 2 parentheses, that means 2 pi, parentheses equal 8 plus 3. Start with multiply, 16 plus 3, that's equal 19. Here we have 10 plus 2x, that's 2 pi x. X equals 7. Do the multiplication. 10 plus what? 14. 10 plus 14 equal 24. Again, we find it's not equal each other, so these two expressions also are not equivalent to each other. Okay? Okay, you may try point A, just two expressions, and substitute x equal 3 and x equal 4. You may find when you substitute x equal 3 that it's the same result. If you find this trial equals this trial, then the two expressions are equivalent. But if you find the results here are different, so it's not equivalent each other. And now we reach to the end of the explanation part. Okay, wait us for the exercise in the next video, and thank you.